Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw sa lahat ng Virgo. Welcome back to my channel. And sa mga bago, ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. And welcome to my channel kung saan babasahan ko kayo ng inyong Tagalog love reading for this week. Okay, so sana mag-resonate. Kung hindi mag-resonate itong reading na to, huwag niyong pilitin. It means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to, and abangan nyo na lang po yung mga susunod ko pang collective reading. Dahil collective reading nga to, it may or may not resonate. Okay? So if you want to book a personal reading, so nasa description box lang yung email ko. Anyway, so ang gawin ko ngayon ay yung weekly reading ninyo. So with this oracle, I will pull the overall energy of the reading. And itong tarot deck, bago siya. So dito yung detalye ng reading ninyo. And the last oracle would be the advice from the universe. Okay, so simulan na natin. So pre-shuffle ko na itong card na to, deck na to. Pero balasan ko lang ulit ng 3 beses. And habang binabalasa ko to, tulungan nyo naman po yung channel ko mag-grow. Please like this video, comment na rin kayo sa baba if mag-resonate, and subscribe naman kayo sa channel ko para makagawa pa ako ng more collective reading, and ayun, para updated din kayo sa mga susunod pang reading. Okay, February, second card, See Beneath the Surface. So, See Beneath the Surface, ang sinasabi ng card na to is this. See beneath the surface, dig deeper and find the ruby. So, kung may narinig kayong medyo parang ingay lang sa background, yung water pump, ano lang siya ng water. Pero mawawala din yan. Those who look for seashells will find seashells. Those who open them will find pearls. Ayan, nawala na, diba? It's a quote from Al-Ghazali. So, reflection is, there is so much treasure buried inside you, all ready to be discovered. As you look deeper within you will find abundant beauty to be exposed and infinite wisdom to be shared. This oracle comes to you with guidance to open the outer shell and reach for the pearl inside you that is tugged in multiple directions every day. As you focus your attention on the deeper aspects of yourself, you will find qualities that were not identifiable to you before. Al-Ghazali encourages you to bring out what is behind the veil of experience, to experience your inner self. You are being initiated into a deep alignment of your actions, behavior, and core values. When everything that takes place in your outer life corresponds with your feelings, beliefs, values, and the purpose you desire on the inside, you'll be able to reach your ultimate power. Becoming aware of your inner self and balancing it with your outer self will form the foundations of good mental, physical, and spiritual life. When you experience a balanced life, you can remain calm and resilient in the face of adversity from the outer world. And your mantra is, I eliminate conflict between my inner and outer selves and unite my core values with my external needs. So, sinasabi dito, nafe-feel ko when it comes to your love life is to have balance. Okay? Dapat balance siya. So, kung ano yung idea mo, what's deep inside you, it should also manifest sa outside. So, you have to take actions. Kung gusto mo ng love, you have to take action. On it. Hindi lang siya nasa thoughts and nasa heart lang. So, you should also move, go out, meet people, diba? And also, there should also be balance within your inner and outer self para buo ka. Okay? Para hindi mo ma-feel. Lalo when it comes to love. It's also ang nakukuha ko yung energy dito is to love yourself more. Because when you love yourself, di ba, bumubuo ka na. Yung inner and outer persona mo, kompleto na. Di ba? Pero, syempre, maganda na yung darating na love or person that will show love to you would be addition to your complete self already. Parang bonus na lang siya. Diba? Okay. So, tingnan natin para sa mga Virgo kung ano bang detalye. So, nabalasa ko na rin naman na to. Balasahin ko lang ng 3 beses before I pull the cards. So, second card. Tingnan natin, ngayong linggo ng mga puso, tatama pa siya sa February 14, diba? So from Feb 9 to 15, ano bang energy? 7 of Pentacles. The World. Wow. 10 of Swords. The Temperance. Page of Cups. 2 of Pentacles. 10 of Wands. And 3 of Swords. Oh. Okay. So, see beneath the surface. So, tingnan natin ano bang kaganapan. So, it started with the 7 of Pentacles and ended with the 3 of Swords. Medyo, well, not as what I hope for. Maging happy reading. Well, it's not really a sad reading, but it's not also that very nice because it ended with the 3 of Swords. And anyway, there's a strong Aquarius, Leo, Taurus, and Scorpio energy. Okay. And also Sagittarius energy. Okay, with the Temperance card. Alright, so sige, simulan na natin. Si 7 of Pentacles, diba? So 7 of Pentacles is a card of commitment and growth and something that you invested on. So I think you at the moment you're very invested in something, on this relationship or with this person, and there's a commitment between the two of you. And even alam mo yun, na parang there's some sort of completion celebration. Maybe you're already together and diba, parang ang dami nilang mga plans when it comes to the fulfilling your goals as a couple, diba? And however, bigla na ba si 10 of Swords, which is a card of struggles and burden. So I think this commitment starts to, alam mo yun, parang cause something, some conflict between the two of you. That is ang nagiging result niya is parang nagkakaroon kayo ng alam mo yun, there's, because 10 of Swords is 10 of Swords, not 10 of Wands. 10 of Swords is a card of struggles, card of ending, diba? So tapos biglang lumabas si Temperance. So Temperance is a card of reconciliation. Okay, so after the happy moments between the two of you, there will be some sort of ending. I don't feel that mag-e-end yung relationship ninyo, but there's an aspect in the relationship pwedeng how you, alam mo yun, yung di ba minsan ang nangyari kapag parang nasanay na tayo na kunwari sa ligawan portion, di ba pag napasagot na natin yung person or di ba yung pinapursu natin, kahit girl or guy or same gender. Di ba pag nakuha na natin yung gusto natin, minsan di na tayo nag-effort, tapos na yun. Di ba? Hanggang doon na lang siya. And sometimes it causes na parang, ay, parang hindi ito yung in-expect ko Parang ganun yung in your mind na parang, kala ko this is the relationship that would make me happy, would allow me to celebrate love and life, di ba? Tapos parang hindi pala. Okay? And there will be some conflict between the two of you that would cause some sort of ending when it comes to not the relationship, but magkakaroon lang naman ng parang nagpagkakaunawaan, ng tampuhan, pero magkakaroon ng reconciliation. As shown by the Temperance card. And tapos nagkaroon pa ng Page of Cups, which is a new beginning when it comes to the feelings. Parang may renewed feelings once na na-resolve nyo na yung issue na yun. And yun, sinasabi naman dito ni Page of Cups that there's some new beginnings starting fresh, di ba, when it comes to the relationship. Tapos, pinakita din naman din siya ni Two of Pentacles wherein there will be some balance ulit. Di ba? Parang before, parang imbalance, there's a shaky thing, there's a conflict. But now, there will be balance and it's because of the choice. Okay? However, after that balance, magiging shaky ulit siya. Okay? Tapos, because there's something na parang alam mo yun, because of what happened here, because of this conflict, okay, parang nagkaroon siya ng internal burden, struggle, and some sort of grudges in you, and in the dun sa person mo, and it would lead to some sort of, alam mo yun, I don't see it a third-party situation here, but it's really some decision for you to really, again, this is just the energy I feel, okay? This, if this doesn't resonate, okay, just leave it behind. Pero, ayun nga, parang ang nangyari is, after all this na tinry ninyo, tapos nagkaroon ng something new. However, parang may remnants pa of the past, of what happened in the past. May mga grudges kayo na hindi na-resolve. And it will lead to some sort of sadness, di ba? Some sort of heartache, di ba? And, okay, so, and some sort of separation, okay? I know this is not what we hope for, but this is just the energy na lumabas sa reading nito. Again, you have to see beneath the surface kung bakit nangyari to. And it will really help you to, at least, kung gusto yung ayusin, di ba, malalaman nyo ano ba yung root cause talaga. Di ba? Kaya parang binabato din dito nung oracle card from the beginning to see beneath the surface is wag itong level lang na to yung tignan ninyo. Tignan niyo yung mga underlying issues pa or ano ba yung mga nangyari na or yung pinaka-ugat nung di pagkakaunawaan. And once na maayos niyo yun, di ba, parang there's a chance for reconciliation, di ba? If na-try nyo na yun, di ba, maybe there's something better for you. So let's see, ano ba yung overall energy? Ano ba yung advice ng universe for you? What you should do about this? Okay? Yeah, grace. So, parang sinasabi dito is just accept it or move forward or do it with some grace. Okay? So, parang kung magkakaroon man ng decision for separation, do it with grace, diba? And you just have to accept it with love, compassion, forgiveness, and gratitude. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate. I mean, I know this is not what we hope for the week of Valentine for you, but again, if it resonates, comment lang kayo sa baba. If not, then just leave it behind, and abangan nyo na lang yung susunod ko pang love reading. So, sa lahat ng Virgo, maraming salamat. Muli, ito si Mystico Moreno, and kita-kits sa susunod na love reading. Ingat!